Okay, welcome back for this new tutorial. My name is Bruno Flavel. I've just released this post about how to build up a fast API for to deploy ML machine learning models, especially with NLP. So basically, I'm trying to gather all together in an API, Spacy, and this time I'm going to save it into the database. And so SQLite, and with the help of SQLAlchemy. And I'm gonna put also an example where I put on the top of this API a Streamlit application. All the code used to be in this blog article directory, but it's too many, there's too many files, so I've created a new where I dedicate everything, all the article I've just written, the last article I've written about how to build a strategy for machine learning models and to deploy it if you need to do so. And basically the idea is to go through different usage of machine learning models, so of intelligence artificials, and then build up an API to expose these things. So what we're going to do first, so we'll be in this directory. What we're going to do first, I'm going to present this project. So like I said, I guess, in this symbol combination Streamlit Spacy, so because I want to be sure, so I'm going to do that. So I made a walkthrough and I'm going to the walkthrough. So maybe I can. So I will get there. So yeah, I need to go from the scratch. So I will open, like I said in my document, I open two. So the blue one is gonna take the FastAPI, and the second one will be a green, let's say a homebrew, a traditional homebrew. And then this one, I'm gonna put in it, the Streamlit application. So first of all, I'm gonna get there. We are here. I am here, like I said, I am here. I have all these files around me. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start inside this NLPDB. So I'm going to start this file, which is the quick APIs that I've built. It's very easy. I think this one also I've helped myself with ChatGPT to write it down and I made several entries. So let's start again. So that's the reason why I'm in this directory, and that's the reason why no, I should not do that. I should go this way, and then I can launch the command below. Let's do it. And then you will see the API. Yeah, first of all, I'm using an account to manage my environment, sorry. So for instance, so everything you have here, you can check the different environment that I'm using. And I'm gonna load this one, and this environment can be built with the requirement that I've given in the directory. Okay, where you have all the stuff, and especially the Spacy element for English, Spanish, and French. Okay, so let's get back. So let's activate. So you have all the command also in each file. Let's activate this command on this one. So I will jump from base to this one that contain all the requirement, and I will do the same because I need also to move from base and to go inside to use this time Streamlit. Okay, because I've installed Streamlit, and I need both, and I need two console. So you have let's go to the go through. I have activated. Then I will launch in the blue one the API. So, and then I can check the API that have been built. Okay, so you have health check, you have an ability to build a summary, to make a keyword extraction, to make entities, and to edit a post and to list a post. So I guess, for instance, is there any post for the moment? Yeah, there's few posts because it's inside this database that have been created. So you can check these database. Yeah, that's this one. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna create, for instance, a new post. But this, so you can think about how to make it's so yeah, I've made a samples that is available right here. You see, let's say YouTube, and then if you reload, you would say, "I know, I think I have to restart because I don't know how to." And then you may have an example right here right away, so you don't have to cut and paste. You see, you don't have to cut and paste, and then it's create automatically if you click on try out. You use this word, you say, okay, let's do it in French, and then I execute, and then he's making the summary. And then if I need to change, and then he save it to the database. Okay, this is where you see YouTube. Yeah, you see. And let's do it again for, let's say we want to make entities. So again, I have this French. So let's do it FR, I precise, and then I say YouTube, extract for video, extract for video, and then I execute, and then he's extracting all these files, and I can check. I think I have to reload things, and you see he has extracted. That's the correct one. Extract for video. That was the one I made. And so he has extracted all these words. Let's do it in Spanish, for instance. So you just have to change. Let's say I would say Spanish YouTube extract video and two, because I want to always have the ability to distinguish. And then I will take this text in Spanish. I just cut and paste. Ooh. And then I had a post origin different, let's say 55555. Okay, why I do this one? Because sometimes you have to. So here we go. You have this one, so it's already inside the database. You see, I can edit it. Yeah, okay. He has made the job, and you see it's correct. The say have been correct. But why do I have made these numbers? Because sometimes you have to use an API and then save it into the database, a new database, and then how do you say that? Making comparison between the old database using this ID as the key to say, okay, I need to, how do you say that? To make comparison between, to refine a kind of identifier for the previous post. That, for instance, it may come from CMS like WordPress or Drupal or whatever, and then you need to know what exactly the test is coming from. So that's the reason why I've made this post ID, but be sure to change it if you don't need it. Okay, so that was this video. I don't dig into explanation of the code because I found it very, very easy to understand. If you need to understand, you can even cut and paste through ChatGPT and it will give you explanation. For instance, this is pretty simple. For instance, this one, entities, is going to take the post, which is the entities, and you have an excellent application. You have an excellent explanation on came from models, so that the post and is taking, and everything has been really explained. I just have to check the the FastAPI documentation from, yeah, that was this one, I think. And it's very well done. It's very well done. You just have to cut and paste. And then, yeah, so we have seen that the API can be built can be easily built, but then let's do the same operation, but through a Streamlit stuff. So this time I'm gonna launch Streamlit. Let's go to the walkthrough. I say I'm gonna use the second. So I'm already here. Just check instance. I'm in the right, and I'm gonna launch this time this file, which is app Streamlit. So I'm here, like I said, I'm already in the good environment of Python environment, and then I will launch Streamlit. So Streamlit, what it's gonna do? It's gonna open a new file, and you see, he's gonna call this API. So let's do it. So this time you just select, for instance, let's say keywords, and this time I'm going to select Russians, and I have a sample post, but I need to cut and paste right here something in Russians. So I've prepared my element, and let's do it. So this is Russian, and then I will do, like I said before, I want to be sure to have an identifier for this post that is, for instance, in the previous system as the post ID 88888. Okay, and let's launch it. So he has, you see, this is Vojna, Strana, Burkina Faso, Mali. Burkina Faso, Mali, yeah, that's a post about Africa, and then you can check that he has saved the Russian stuff inside. You see, if I open it, yeah, I see Burkina Faso, and so on and so on. So it's a post body, and I have my post ID. Okay. Okay, so basically, right here it's making interaction with, so I can even think about a summary, and let's say I'm pretending I'm gonna make a summary in YouTube Spanish summary, YouTube Spanish summary, and then I take something in Spanish, and then I say this time 9999, and then I send it. So he has made the summary. Okay, the API has answered, and by the way, you can see that he's interacting because you see summary, that's me. That's just the post that I've made. And I can check the result right here inside. Yeah, 5555. What is strange is that the post is 8. Anyway, that's the correct one. Yeah, that's the correct one. Ooh. Is that the correct one? Yeah, no, that's this one. Yeah, I was loading an old version. That's this one. That should be the last one. Okay. So basically, well, my functions that is used for the summary is very basic, but you can work on that from there, and then you can work on that. This is summary. Yeah, this one, I've created this very quick function, summary sentence, and then summary text. Where is the function of summary? That's strange. Yeah. Three, yeah, and then he's doing the summary. But then you can improve these summary things. You can improve these summary and even the keywords. But then you have the workflow that enables you to create an API where you can leverage on it. Okay. I know that I'm pretty confused maybe in my explanation because I'm only focused on the usage and the endpoint, not really on the code, but the code is very easy to understand. Even me, which is, I'm not a developer, I'm considering myself as a PO, it's very easy with few elements of Python to understand how to process different type of information. So I encourage you to discover through the video the code and also to download what you have right here to understand and to check. And if you need some help, ChatGPT is a great help to understand codes. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can feel free to contact me if you need. And also you can download all the code available on my GitHub account, like I said, in a specific directory which has been created on iUsage. Okay, thank you for watching. See you then. Bye bye.